Huh?
Oh!
What's that?
Oh!
Oh my goodness! Wow! Hello, little scientists. Professor Why-saurus here. I was just trying to fly my kite when, hey! Who turned out the lights? It's a giant cloud! But that got me thinking, what exactly are clouds made of?
It all starts with the sun. The sun is like a giant heater. It warms up the water in our lakes and
Oceans, turning it into an invisible gas called water vapor. This water vapor floats high up into the sky. We call this evaporation. But brrr, it gets really cold high up in the sky. When that invisible vapor gets cold, it turns back into tiny water droplets. They huddle tightly together to stay warm, and poof, they form a fluffy cloud. This is called condensation. Eventually, the cloud gets packed with too many water droplets. It gets super heavy, and all that water has to go somewhere. So, it falls back down to the ground as rain or snow. This is precipitation.
Splish, splash, hooray! Look, a rainbow! And that water goes right back into the puddles and oceans to start all over again. It's called the water cycle.
Keep asking why, little explorer, and I'll see you next time.